For severe erectile dysfunction, one of the most important etiology is the prostate cancer surgery and the Peyronie's disease. Now we completed a special case which has prostate cancer surgery history and Peyronie's disease. Before the surgical treatment of prostate cancer, he had also Peyronie's disease. He didn't become careful about his disease after penile rehabilitation, after prostatectomy surgery. Even he got robotic surgery, he has some problems. His penis is shortened for last 2.5 years. He didn't get any erections and he was in trouble. He applied us for stem cell treatment, but it was too late for stem cell treatment. We planned him a good implant surgery. At the same time, he was getting incontinence, urinary incontinence after prostatectomy surgery. Now we completed our surgery with MAS technique with my colleague and friend, Dr. Professor Egidio, Paolo Egidio, and we are going to complete our incontinence surgery with mini Gpet surgery, and it will be a special case. We are going to cure erectile dysfunction. We are going to cure urinary incontinence at the same time in the one surgery.